5 habits that keep you poor. Most people want to be rich, but without knowing it, they're stuck in habits that keep them broke. In this video, we'll uncover the 5 habits silently draining your wealth. And number 3 will shock you. Habit number 1, overspending. Living beyond your means may feel good today, but it keeps you in a cycle of debt and paycheck-to-paycheck stress. Wealth is built by managing what you already have, not by spending every Sadie dollar or Sadies that comes in. Habit number 2, not having a budget. If you don't track where your money goes, you'll always wonder why it disappears. Rich people give every dollar a job. Poor people let money slip through their fingers. Habit number 3, ignoring self-education. Most people stop learning after school, but the wealthy invest in new skills, books, and mentors. If you're not growing, you're falling behind, and that's costing you more than you think. Habit number 4, short-term thinking. Poor habits chase instant gratification, quick wins, fast money, easy pleasures. Wealthy people delay gratification. They think long-term, plant seeds, and wait for the harvest. And finally, habit number 5, staying in negative environments. If your circle only complains, spends recklessly, or laughs at growth, guess what? You'll stay stuck too. Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you to level up. So, which of these 5 habits is holding you back? Break them now, and you'll change your financial future forever. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing money habits. Your future self will thank you.